Subaru has just unveiled the next generation BRZ for 2022. This new BRZ ditches the turbocharger and replaces it with more horsepower. The 2022 Subaru BRZ is powered by a 2.4-liter boxer engine, producing 228 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque, and redlines at 7,000 RPM. The flat-four boxer engine sends its power to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. The rear seats may be cramped, as with most 2+2 sports cars, but Subaru allows the rear seats to fold to create additional cargo space large enough to fit golf clubs or a set of track day tires with tools. The new 2022 BRZ is designed with handling in mind, with a low center of gravity and lightweight components. The car's roof, front fenders, and hood are made out of aluminum, bringing the curb weight to less than 3,000 pounds. According to Subaru, this new BRZ is the lightest rear-wheel drive production sports car on the US market. Styling is all new, featuring a double-bubble roofline, curvaceous fender flares, larger headlights, functional side vents, and a ducktail rear spoiler. Pricing has not yet been released, but the 2022 BRZ is set to go on sale in the fall of 2021. For more, visit IMBOLDN.com and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.